In this video, I'll show you how you can add a user to the YouTube TV. What you want to do is you want to make a family group. So the way that you can do this is you just want to head over to tv.youtube.com, go to your profile picture, go to settings, family sharing, select manage, and then just follow the instructions to create the family group. Once you've done this, you're now able to add users to the group. So go to the exact same page, go to your profile picture settings, family sharing, and then once you're in here, you want to go on manage and invite family member. Now this family member will be the user that you're going to invite. Enter the email address of the person and keep in mind it must be a Google account, and then just click send. Once you've done that, it should be an invite that they're going to get on their email. So they will get an email on this one that you entered here, and they need to log into that. Click accept invitation and sign into the same Google account that you invited, and then they just want to follow the instructions and they'll be able to join. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.